Hello and welcome back to Pullback Indicators. The markets are still open and let's check out the performance of our indicator for today, 17th March.
Get strong.
As you can see, this is a Nifty Futures chart, a 5 minutes chart. And today we haven't received any buy or sell signal for Nifty Futures. And for Bank Nifty, we have got a sell signal, but no trade happened on this signal. As you know that we always take trade on the next closing price of the next candle. So no trade happened here. Now let's check out some stocks. For stocks, we use a 3-minute time frame. For stocks here, this is an Infosys chart. We got a sell signal here today in the morning, but no trade happened on this signal. Again, we got a buy signal, but since it was after 2 o'clock, no trade happened on this signal. Then this is BPCL. BPCL, again, we have a sell signal here in the morning. The trade happened on the closing price of the next candle, but there was a small stop loss. But again, we got a buy signal here and the trade happened on the next candle. And as you can see, from 361, it went up to 366. We already recovered our loss and also made a profit. Next, we have ITC. ITC, again, we got a sell signal here, but no trade happened on this signal. Then later on, again, we received a buy signal. The trade happened somewhere on this candle, on the closing price of this candle. And yes, we managed a small profit. Next is Grasim. Grasim, we got a sell signal, but as many of you know that whenever we get a signal after 2 o'clock, we don't trade on those signals, we ignore it. Then we have LNT. For LNT, again, we have a buy signal, but no trade happened on this signal. Then again, this is after 2 o'clock, so we'll avoid. Now this is Tata Steel. Tata Steel, again, we have a sell signal here on this candle, 1039. The trade executed on the next candle, but there was a small stop loss here. The stop loss was of 6 rupees only. Then again, we got a buy signal. The trade happened on the next candle, and from 1281, it went up to 1317, almost 30 rupees. So, whenever we keep our stop loss small and targets big, we always win at the end. Let's see one more stock. This is JSW. JSW, again, we got a buy signal here. The trade happened on the next candle, and from 667, it went almost till 692. And many of you know that whenever we make profit on the first signal, we ignore remaining signals for the rest of the day because we want to hold on to our profits. As you can see, if you follow the indicator properly and use my trading strategy, then you can recover the indicator cost in just one day. Just remember one thing, we cannot predict the market, but yes, if we remain consistent and stick to our trading rules with proper trading discipline and follow proper money management, then our chances of winning will be higher, and which will lead to overall profit. This indicator works across all market segments in equity, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Commodity, Forex and crypto. Along with the indicator, we will also share with you our strategy in the form of videos on how to trade, when to enter, where to exit and where to put stop loss. This indicator works on Tradingview chart. You can use this indicator on your smartphone and also your desktop browser. You don't require any paid version of Tradingview. You can use this indicator for your intraday trading, positional trading, as well as swing trading. This was all for today. I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much for watching. And in case you have any queries, you can send me a message. I will share my details in the description box of the video. Thank you.